there, this is Delcy with episode 3 of On the Way Up. Hi there. You can see the guys have been working really hard. They're getting ready to put in these foundation drains on the Shiv shop, which is here at Midway. They've also painted the whole foundation wall with this waterproofing. Work continues and we're getting excited. Next step, backfill. Here we are at the floor of the Shiv shop where they have installed the foam, the next layer of rebar, and the last step will be the PEX for a heated floor.
Through my eyes, I see the love.
Here we are at the third and final pour of the Shiv shop. They're pouring over top of the foundation where they've laid foam and PEX for a heated floor. Ignacio's crew is working really hard. Wenatchee Sand and Gravel just keep bringing truck after truck. The Shiv shop you've heard me talk about is really the headquarters for lift maintenance, but not just for the new chair, for all of our lifts in order to help keep our guests safe. Here we are with the final product. Ignacio's crew did an excellent job with their finished work. You used to load chair 2 on the Midway Cafe side. I know it doesn't look like much now, but you will now load on this side and come into the new entry and load the bubble chair from the Mimi side.
We both walk on the same floor. We don't share the same.
Here we are, chair 2 lift line just above Haystack Rock, where I'm standing right above one of the new foundation holes for the tower.
For so long, over things that passed away.
And once again, we really want to thank Mission Ridge for treating the crew to lunch from Dilly Deli. It's awesome that they get to support our crew and support the local businesses downtown. Well, that's a wrap for episode 3 of On the Way Up. Stay tuned and we'll keep you updated on our progress.